Welcome, this is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate, and this is my new ground level picture of my video, I should say, of my new takeoff location. And that is a roof shot at night. And this video is going to go into a potential speculated production line flow. In these shipping receiving bays, I believe will come the rolls of sheet metal that will be used in the elevated stamping section. And the stamping section has several stamping presses that will produce the chassis, I should say the cab parts, the inner and the outer cab, the doors, and the wings that go behind the cab. And in any event, those are going to be stamped here. We do know that part is not speculation. And then based on some recent comments from Dan Priestley and powers of observation, those stamped materials will come up this line here and be assembled into the cab pieces and separately, and doors. And then the cab will be welded together and come up the line further where the KUKA robots will pass it onto an assembly line carrier. And the carrier will flow this way from the west to the east and then make a right turn and go down. Those are the Jayco, those vents you see coming up. That tall vent is the beginning of the paint shop line where the cab will be coated with anti-corrosion material and then painted. And so the fully assembled cab will run down this line back to the south, all the way down there as it approaches section G. All of those vents, smokestack looking things, are part of the Jayco assembly line paint shop. And then when they get to here, it's my feeling that the framed stamping press is located at this end of the section G, and that frame will be coupled with the cab. And then which way does it go from there? I can't be sure. It will either make another 180 and flow back up this way where all of the internals will be added, the batteries, the drive motors, the HVAC, the main cases, and rear end differentials. And then eventually they'll flow this way, and I can't be sure which way they'll flow. All I do know is that section on the right has no vents. I'm not sure if that's some kind of hint, but anyway, that's my best guess at an assembly flow. Thanks. A larger video of the flyover will be coming up soon.